Hi guys, today we are going to make an explosion effect like this with particle system in Unity. So see we want to make this effect. So I create a particle system and I want to use this picture as material for my particle system. So I have this here. Yeah, I put a link in the description to download, and let's create. First you gotta create a material. I call it explosion effect, and give this picture to the material and give the material to the particle system. Go to renderer and give this material to the particle system. Okay, so here let's change this material, and I wanna make this game for mobile, so I go to mobile and particles, and this is good, I think. Yeah. Okay, let's create explosion effect. So click this button, open editor, so you can change things like this. Where is it? Yeah, something like this. You want to change this, you can change it here. And so let's uncheck this, and for explosion you wanna instantiate many of these pictures at the same time. So click here, let's start orientation to 2 seconds, and rate over time 0. You see what's changed. And go to shape and select sphere and radius to the minimum, and let's have some random lifetimes. Select 1.5 to 1.5, I think is good. And speed, also speed, change the speed to 1, 2, I think it's okay. 2, 3, I think it's better. So Go to size over lifetime and select this and change it something like this. So here, add key, you see, and because this game is for mobile devices, I prefer to reduce this count number to 15. I think it's good. And other thing we want to do is change the color so it gets more. I want to reduce the opacity over lifetime, so go to color over lifetime and check this, and here at this button, the upper buttons is for opacity, and the down button is for color. So let's change opacity to 0, and yeah, it gets better. You can change the size here. And yeah, I think we are good to go. And make sure you uncheck this loop, so when you instantiate the particle system, it will go every time, it doesn't stop. So I play, and this is it. Yeah.